If you're looking for a great way to earn some extra cash, consider reselling ebooks. With a minimal investment and a little bit of effort, you can make some serious money. Here's how to get started. 1. Find a niche. The first step to successful ebook reselling is to find a niche that has a high demand and a relatively low competition. Do some research online to find out what niches are popular and which ones have the most potential for profit. Look for topics that are evergreen and will continue to be in demand for years to come. 2. Find ebooks to resell. Once you've chosen your niche, you'll need to find ebooks that you can resell. There are a few different ways to do this. You can purchase private label rights, PLR, ebooks, which give you the rights to modify and resell the content. You can also find free ebooks to resell. You can even compile several free ebooks into a single collection and sell it as a bundle. 3. Promote your ebooks. Once you have your ebooks ready to go, it's time to start promoting them. You can create a website to showcase your books and list them on online marketplaces like Amazon and eBay. You can also promote your ebooks on social media. Create an email list and use paid advertising to reach a larger audience. 4. Collect payment. The final step is to set up a payment system so customers can purchase your ebooks. You can use a payment processor like PayPal or Stripe. Or you can set up a shopping cart on your website. With a bit of effort and some creativity, you can make a good income reselling ebooks. Start by finding a profitable niche. Find ebooks to resell. Promote your ebooks. And set up a payment system to collect payments from customers. With a bit of persistence and dedication, you can easily earn easy money reselling ebooks. Go to link in description to download your free ebook reseller business checklist.